Hi, my name is Balaji Iyer. I'm part of the public sector team that supports the machine learning business. I'm here to provide a recap of all the great things that we launched at re:Invent in 2018. At AWS, we're focused on some of the toughest challenges that hold back success with machine learning. Of all the technologies that are out there, machine learning is probably one of the most transformative. Similar to the cloud, which completely disrupted the IT industry and became the new way to build applications, machine learning has the potential to transform every industry across every sector imaginable. As you can imagine, we are heavily investing in this area. Just in the last year alone, in 2018, we released over 200 significant new features and capabilities, particularly on machine learning technologies. We're laser focused on providing more capabilities to make machine learning easy for all developers so everyone can build intelligent applications. When we engaged with our customers, three challenges constantly came up. First is flexibility and cost. Do I have the flexibility to use the right tool of my choice? Or how do I run it in a cost-effective manner? Second is around data. Machine learning starts with data. The question is really around, do I have enough data and how do I label it? Third is ease of use. Do I have enough people with the right skill set required to build intelligent applications? At last year's re:Invent in 2018, we launched several new capabilities that addresses each of these challenges. Let's go ahead and take a look. First, to provide the flexibility and reduce the cost, we launched AWS Optimized TensorFlow. It is the fastest way to run TensorFlow on AWS. We also launched MXNet Dynamic Training. This allows you to reduce model training time and cost by leveraging the cloud's elasticity and scale. We also launched Elastic Inference. This allows you to increase the throughput and reduce the latency. And then we launched AWS Inferentia. It is the machine learning inference chip built from the ground up, designed to deliver high performance at low cost. So you're seeing several new capabilities that reduce the cost and also provide you more flexibility as you build machine learning applications. Successful machine learning are built using large volumes of high quality training data. But the process to create training data is often expensive, complicated, and time consuming. That's why we launched Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth, which helps you build highly accurate training datasets quickly. SageMaker now supports reinforcement learning in addition to traditional supervised and unsupervised learning. To make machine learning easy for customers, we launched Amazon Machine Learning University. The same machine learning courses used to train engineers at Amazon are now available to all developers and all customers through AWS at no cost. We also launched AWS Marketplace for machine learning. Instead of building machine learning models in-house, you can choose algorithms and models and deploy them directly on SageMaker. We also launched SageMaker Neo. It's a model compiler that enables machine learning models to train once and run anywhere else in the cloud and also at edge devices with optimal performance. We also launched a new set of services that provides AWS customers the same AI capabilities that powers Amazon.com. Let's go ahead and review them. First off, we launched Amazon Forecast, which is based on the same technology used at Amazon.com. It is a fully managed service that uses machine learning to deliver highly accurate forecasts. All you have to do is to provide the data, and the forecast service will manage the entire machine learning workflow for you, from loading the data, inspecting the data, doing feature extraction, selecting the right algorithms automatically, training the models, optimizing them, and finally deploying them and hosting these models. So all the steps from 1 through 8 is automatically done for you. So no machine learning expertise is required to use this service. For example, you can use historic maintenance data to precisely forecast fault events for predictive maintenance, or future forecast demand based on limited resources to reduce cost and maximize efficiency. At Amazon, we've been building and perfecting recommender systems for a long time. Amazon Personalized is fully managed machine learning service that makes it easy to create individual recommendations, which is based on the same recommender system that powers Amazon.com. So instead of providing a uniform experience to all users, Personalized can help transform generic content into highly relevant interactions on individual behavior, such as history, preferences, and specific needs. Similar to Forecast, Personalized also does not require machine learning knowledge. We manage the entire machine learning workflow for you, similar to Personalized. Next is Amazon TextRact. TextRact goes beyond traditional OCR to also identify the contents of fields and forms. Let's take a look at this example. When you do OCR using traditional systems, you get a jumble of text, which is super useless when you have tables and rows with columns and has some values in it. Amazon TextRact automatically detects the document layout and the key elements on the page and extract everything with the context intact. Also, you don't have to rewrite the implementation if the page layout changes over time. A lot of the government data is actually locked inside digital files. It is not straightforward to extract text from PDF files and perform analysis on top of that. So we trained Textract on tens and millions of documents from virtually every industry, which includes invoices, receipts, contracts, tax documents, application forms, insurance claims, policy documents, and many more. For example, you can surgically extract values from specific fields in a PDF file. We also released Comprehend Medical. It is a natural language processing service that uses machine learning to extract relevant information from unstructured text. Let's take a look at this example, where we have a set of unstructured text. We want to extract medical conditions, medications, dosage, and strength, and determine the relationship with each other automatically. You can access Comprehend Medical through a simple API call. In this case, you're not building the model, or training the model, tuning the model, or deploying the model, where Comprehend already manages that for you. So you're just calling a simple API to interact with Comprehend Medical. And there's no machine learning expertise required to use the service. No complicated rules to write, or no models to train. Comprehend Medical is HIPAA eligible and can quickly identify protected health information, such as name, age, medical record number, so you can use it to create applications that can handle PHI data securely. Let's bring it all together. This is what the Amazon machine learning stack looks like. The way we look at it, there are 3 layers of the stack. The bottom layer is geared towards expert practitioners. These are folks who have advanced degrees and passionate about the framework of their choice. We abstract a lot of this away in the middle layer, where we provide a fully managed machine learning platform called Amazon SageMaker, which removes all the grunt work associated with machine learning process, including building the model, training the model, tuning the model, and deploying the model, and hosting the model. It will streamline all the process associated with the machine learning process. It will streamline the entire machine learning workflow for you. So you can really accelerate your machine learning model workflow. On the top layer of the stack, we abstract that even further as part of our AI services, which are completely API driven, so you don't have to be a machine learning expert to use this service. We handle the model underneath. You're just calling a simple API to interact with really advanced capabilities. And these are best suited for application developers who want to build intelligent applications. For example, you can program it to convert text into speech, or speech to text, or build conversational interfaces similar to Alexa, or do image and video analysis. It's because of the breadth of capabilities, most of the machine learning that's being done in the cloud is actually done on AWS. We have tens of thousands of customers who are running machine learning. This is across a broad set of customers. It's companies like Capital One, Digital Globe, NFL, the American Heart Association, NASA JPL, Liberty Mutual, FINRA, and many more. For example, Intuit uses SageMaker to accelerate the process of developing machine learning models for personalization and fraud detection. They have told us what used to take them 6 months to build a machine learning model end to end is cut down to less than a week. That's a huge productivity gain. Similarly, C-SPAN uses Amazon Rekognition to do automated footage tagging to identify political figures. Formula One uses SageMaker to predict car performance, race strategy using their F1 Insights platform. These are only some of the examples. You can find more details, including the content that I just talked about, at ml.aws. If you want to engage further on this conversation, talk to your account manager or solution architect. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.